Hi everyone. In the Mockat WAT-PI news prep series, we are going to take a brief look at today's top 5 news article. You can find the link for the full article in the description below or in the first pinned comment. So today's top 5 news of the day. Why the UN has delayed the Gaza resolution. How the Make in India initiative has fared. Retail sales up 7% in the festive season, below expectations. Joblessness eased in 2023, but urban-rural divide widening. How AI is making weather forecast more accurate. So first news. UN Security Council again delays vote on aid resolution. The UN Security Council has postponed voting on revised resolution for aid to Gaza, supported by the US amid disagreements on its strength. The revised draft has removed a call for an urgent suspension of hostilities between Israel and Hamas. The revised resolution was backed by the US in collaboration with the UAE and Egypt, bypassing objections from the other council members. This draft eliminates condemnation of violations of international humanitarian law, focusing on the release of hostages and reaffirming the two-state solution. The resolution aims to support Egypt's priority of establishing a mechanism for humanitarian assistance. News number 2. How the Make in India initiative has fared. Make in India, launched in 2014, focuses on ease of doing business, infrastructure development, FDI attraction, and a shift in government mindset of facilitate industry rather than regulate. India has made significant strides in electronics and pharmaceuticals, with rising in exports in these sectors. Some critics argue that Make in India has not fully taken off, with concerns about assembly dominance over manufacturing. Concerns were rising about the sustainability of Make in India amid recent declines in FDI and challenges in infrastructure development. Budget 24-25 likely to focus on ease of doing business, including decriminalization and labor law reforms. News number 3. Retail sales up 7% in the festive season, below expectations. The Retailers Association of India's 45th Retail Business Survey relieves that a 7% increase in sales during this period in 2023 compared to 2022. The retailers anticipated double-digit sales growth, but experienced muted sales with footfalls. Footfall means number of people entering a shop. So that is lower than in 2022 compared to 2023. Despite overall muted sales, retailers observed growth in high-value products, particularly in the jewelry business due to higher gold prices and increased demand during the wedding season. Shoppers spend cautiously during the festive season, citing high inflation as a factor. News number 4. Joblessness eased in 2023, but urban-rural divide widening. Recent attack on parliament linked to frustration over joblessness in the country. Periodic labor force survey shows urban unemployment at 6.6% in Q1 and Q2 of financial year 24, the lowest since financial year 18. The rural unemployment not covered in quarterly PLFS annual survey reveals a 6-year lower of 4% in 22-23. Mahatma Gandhi Rural Employment Guarantee Act data shows increased demand for work in the current financial year. Some experts question the reliability of CMIE data, calling it volatile and challenging to compare with global standards for measuring unemployment or labor force participation. News number 5. How AI is making weather forecast more accurate. NASA and IBM introduced WatsonX.ai on the open source AI platform Hugging Space at COP28. WatsonX.ai simplifies the interpretation of large climate datasets, aiding in accurate predictions. Model like WatsonX.ai leverage both uncategorized data. Applications include flood mapping, reforestation monitoring, disaster response, infrastructure development, and environmental protection. AI viewed as a crucial tool in various sectors to address climate change challenges and enhance sustainability efforts. So these are the top 5 news articles for today. You can find the full article at mockat.com in the daily news section. We upload 5 top news articles every day to help you with your prep. So please like the video and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you.